Hey, what is up, you guys? It's your girl Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. In today's video, I just wanted to check in with you guys real quick. You ain't seen me in a while because your girl is trying to take down this hair, okay? I already warned y'all, it's a whole process, so I'm looking a hot mess right now, but that's okay. The reason for coming on today is just to let you guys know what I have been doing to get through the week while I'm trying to take my hair down. As many of you know, I have a full-time job. YouTube has not started kicking in them dollars yet. So therefore, I am going to show you what I have been doing. So I am probably about maybe 40% done. I don't know, maybe 30% done taking my hair down. So I just want to show you guys how I'm going to wear it to work today. So as you can see, it's pretty rough. So don't worry, I'm a snap back. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this in a full bun here. And take these three down. See, I told y'all it was rough, okay? I'm also recording a video as well to show you guys how an easy way to take these down because I've been experimenting. But so anyway, that's the base of the look, okay? So right now it looks crazy, right? Right. So I have this. Yes, all my natural queens. Y'all know what I'm about to do, right? So you basically get a scarf that's, for me, it's better if it's already looped together. Look at that. So you may have seen this featured in one of my other videos. I wore it as just a scarf around the neck. Cute, right? But today we're going to use it to get this hair together so that I can go to work. Because I don't have time to finish taking this down right now. So, yep, as you can see, there's pieces that are down, pieces that are not. Because like I said, I've been experimenting on how to get them down safely and hold on to my inch that I have gained. So here we go. So basically you're going to take this and put it across the back as firm as you can. Make sure to cover that kitchen. Okay? And then firmly tug it across the top. Now when I go across the top, I'm going to crisscross it and lift it up. And then I'm going to take it across the back. Still holding on right here. Pay attention to the cross at the top because I like to have kind of an angle, which is good. So I'm still pulling firm and I want to cover the rest of that hair as well. So I'm going to layer it in the back to make sure everything is covered back there. And then this last part here, I'm going to take it over the bun. See that? Okay. And then I'm going to crisscross it. Okay, and then I'm going to take this last little bit and I'm going to take it over the bun again. Voila. There's a tag right here. I'm just going to tuck it in. Okay. This, I like to have it to the side. So it's like a little side bang. And then I'm going to reveal my ears. So I'm going to check it. Okay, make sure I've got full coverage in the back. Okay, now that the back is secure, I'm going to go ahead and create the final look. So basically, I want to reveal a little bit of edges because we're going to go ahead and slay these edges. And these three in the front, I wanted to kind of be like a side bang. So, and then like I said, I want that angle towards the top. Okay, so that's already cute. You can stop right there if you want. I feel like being a little extra today, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit to my edges. I have my toothbrush that I only use for my hair, okay, only. And then I'm going to use the Eco Styler gel today. And this is a maximum hold of 10, so we shall see because I have some stubborn edges. So basically I just put a little bit of gel, just a little on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go ahead and begin to style my edges. You basically want to apply a little bit, pull down, place your finger there, and then swoop back. Do the same. Apply a little bit, place your finger there, and swoop back. Really not much down here, but we can do a little something. Yep, and then you can go across the top. My edges are a little stubborn, so you gotta kind of brush and play a little bit with this area. But same thing. Okay. Get up under that here. And although you're not going to really see this part that much, you still want to do a little something over here. So, not much. And then cover it back up. So, you know, place your scarf again. Get rid of any excess product. You can check this side over here. Again, we won't see this side that much, so it's not a big deal, but I want to do something. And then pull the scarf down a little bit. Perfect. So that is my look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to all my new subscribers, y'all. We have just hit 1,300, I believe 18 subscribers when I looked this morning. So oh my God, you guys, we are growing so fast. So I just want to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys. So I'll hit our song one time for us. So here we go. This is for you. Hey, hey. This is for you. This is for you. Hey. All 1,300 of you. This is for you. All 1,300 of you. I appreciate you. This is for you. Hey. This is for you. I appreciate you. Thank you for 1,300 plus subscribers. And that concludes our song and this video. Your girl gotta go to work. I will see you guys later on with some more videos. Remember to stay encouraged and stay motivated. I'm here for you. I thank you guys for being here for me. Have a blessed day. Tiarrea B, I'm out.